can stay forever, honey. I won't be mad at it. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre, so go ahead and watch me install the wig, and then come back and I'll give you my 54 cents of whether you should be giving this wig a let's go. Now that you watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. But before we get into the specs, let's talk about the sponsors for this unit. I just want to say thank you to Wig Types for sending me over to a unit to review for my audience. Wig Types has everything hair, everything. Wig Types is one of the places that I purchased my units from. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about the wig. This wig is by Outre in the style Silvana. Silvana. I like that name. Yeah. So this wig is Outre Lacefront Deluxe Wig in the style Silvana. Silvana is 12 inches. I have Silvana in the color DRFF Ginger Cocoa Brown. Silvana has 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. This unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. She does have AG transparent lace. She has extra natural deeper hand tied edges. She's 5 inches. The lace is 5 inches, sorry. Air to air transparent lace, deeper pre-plug head tied lace edges, 5-inch deep part, natural baby hairs, heat resistant, extra natural. Whew, that's a whole lot. But this is the unit on me. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks stiff on the stock card. I think they do. You're gonna hate me for that. Well, maybe not. I don't know. But Outre, I think. I don't know. For scratch. Okay. So this is the unit on. It's like a skunk effect. That's what they call it. Yeah, it's like the skunk effect where there's a color in the front. One color dominates the front and one dominates the back. That's what this looks like. And it's not a crimp. It's like a beach wave. So, do I love the unit? Yes. I love the skunk trend. I do. I love it. I love it. I love it. If it could stay forever, honey, I won't be mad at it. But this is what the unit looks like. It does have some flyaways. It is big and friendly, even if it does have some flyaways. It is very big and friendly. All I did was cut up the lace and did some babies and ready to go. No curling necessary. Even if it does say it is heated up to 400 degrees, it is a very gorgeous unit. It is big and friendly. It is big and friendly. No flyaways, no shedding. A great length. It is 12 inches, as I said on the stock card, and I love it. You know me, I love me. You know I love me a short cut. I am here for it, and I really love that color. Again, the color that I have is DRFF Ginger Cocoa Brown. Take that 10 times fast. Anyway, if you got to the end of the video, oh, what would I rate the unit? I would rate this unit a 10. There's nothing wrong with the unit, nothing at all that I could find with the unit. I love the unit. So, if you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to go ahead and like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and I'll see you in the next wig. Bye, guys.